Are you struggling to connect to your PostgreSQL database through Docker-Compose? You're not alone. Many developers face this frustrating issue, but today we're going to solve it together. I completely understand how annoying it can be when you see that dreaded connection refused error. It can feel like you're hitting a brick wall, especially when you're eager to get your project up and running. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user tried to connect to their PostgreSQL database using a URI, but they encountered a connection error. They provided their Docker-Compose configuration, and it looks like they did everything right. So, what could be going wrong? To understand the issue, we need to consider a few key points. First, the database service must be running and accessible. Second, the network configuration in Docker-Compose plays a crucial role in ensuring that services can communicate with each other. Stay with me until the end, because I have a great tip that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To resolve the connection issue, the user should first ensure that the PostgreSQL service is running properly. This can be checked by looking at the logs of the PostgreSQL container. Next, the user should verify that the web container is correctly configured to connect to the PostgreSQL database. The connection URI must match the service name defined in the Docker-Compose file. Additionally, the user should confirm that the PostgreSQL container is accessible from the web container. This can be done by executing a command inside the web container to ping the PostgreSQL service. If the connection is still refused, the user should check the network settings in the Docker-Compose file. Ensure that both services are on the same network. Finally, if all else fails, the user can try rebuilding the containers to ensure that all configurations are applied correctly. This can be done with a simple command. Fun fact, did you know that PostgreSQL is one of the oldest open-source databases? It has been around since 1986. That's a lot of time to perfect the art of data management. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests setting up a dedicated network for your Docker containers. This allows them to communicate effectively. You can define a network in your Docker-Compose file like this. Make sure both your web and Postgres services are connected to the same network. This should help resolve the connection issues you are experiencing. Here's a pro tip. Always check your container logs when troubleshooting. They can provide invaluable insights into what might be going wrong. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to connect to your PostgreSQL database without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tricks.